Kevin from Affordable Water Treatment. This is June 30th, 2010. I'm here with Clyde from Radon Done Right. We just got done completing the installation of the Rebco Bubble Up Senior Radon system. This is the bigger unit. This is the 15-gallon drawdown unit, which means there's floats inside. You can draw down 15 gallons of water before the unit will kick on and make more water again. Right now the noise you may hear is the pump running. I've got the outside hose running right now to get it to cycle on and off a few times, which we do when we first start the system. Hi, I'm Kevin again. I want to take a minute quick just to go over our three-way bypass we have installed. We put this in front of every radon system, mainly in case of emergency. You can always still have water into the house. Basically, all three of these handles will always be facing horizontal, going the same way when it's in service. In an emergency, you take this middle valve, put it down. That would give you straight water to the house, but it wouldn't be treated at that point. Basically, with this shot, the water can't go up. We're forcing it through this sediment filter into the radon system, back out of the radon system, back into the house here. This little pressure tank senses the pressure going up and down in the house. Whenever this feels a pressure drop, it'll kick the pump on, which you may hear running now in the background. And once that comes up to pressure, the pump will shut off. Right now we're running the water outside, trying to get it to cycle off and on a few times. So again, this is your bypass, your normal position. Emergency, you can either turn this valve, or in the back of the machine here, there are also two red handles. They look like arrows. This one's pointing in, this one's pointing out. In emergency, you can also just turn these toward each other, and that will bypass the unit also. And then you just turn them the opposite directions again, and it'll be back in service. What I had just done when I did that is it didn't sense the pressure in time, so the pump actually shut off in the well. If you ever get up in the morning and you lose your water pressure, for any reason you come down, if this is reading 0 here, basically what you need to do is there's a little silver lever here on the side of this pressure switch. You just pick up on it real easy until the pump starts, and then just release it. So floats are just falling in the radon unit, which kick the blower on and open the solenoid and let the unit fill back up with water. I guess we kind of went over some things too fast there, Clyde, but anything else we can talk about the efficiency of this unit, I guess. I mean, we'll do about 99 to 99.5% reduction in your radon at 7 gallons a minute. You're getting a little more than 7 gallons a minute coming in, your reduction will drop a little bit, very little. That's about it, I guess, for now. Hi, I'm Kevin again. I wanted to go over real quick with you the annual maintenance on these units. Basically, you've got a sediment filter here. We suggest changing out once a year. The manufacturer suggests taking this top off and cleaning it once a year, at least checking to see if it needs to be cleaned. I go by a rule of thumb: if this sediment filter is clean, then it means nothing got past it, so the tank should be clean. So I don't bother with it. I mean, if it got a lot of dirt in there, you'd start seeing it upstairs, and we'd know there's a problem. So I'd say on a yearly basis, just change this sediment filter out once a year. And that should be all that you have to do to that. As far as the electrical goes, it has to be on a 20 amp dedicated circuit by itself, which we have here. And it's supposed to be wired up by a master electrician, which Clyde is, that works with me. And of course all the plumbing is supposed to be done by a master plumber also, which is also the law. Just make sure that, you know, if you're looking at any other systems out there, make sure there's always a master electrician doing the wiring, master plumber doing the plumbing. Not the company holding the license, but the actual people in your house are the ones holding the license. Thank you.